Finally! Somebody gets it!
Well, here we go. I got some more food for thought for you. This is an excerpt from Free as a Bird, Living Worry-Free in God's Abundance. This is from page 3. Here we go. Freedom. That is the cry of our heart, the cry of our soul, to be free. Free to make choices, free to go where we want, when we want, in alignment with the high calling of God on our life. Freedom to live a life full of joy and happiness, to live worry-free, never again concerned about provision. This book is about true freedom and how to find it. The freedom that every bird flying in the sky knows, that every eagle soaring above, every hummingbird flying across the Gulf of America knows and lives. It's not freedom from work, but finding joy in the work He created you for, and in the process, having all your needs met according to His riches and glory by Christ Jesus.
Get yours on Amazon.